Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for April and it is Lookfantastic. This is what the box looks like. I'm going to be showing you what's inside the PR box, which I was kindly sent today, and also my personal subscription, which I use for giveaways on my Instagram, Facebook page, etc. There's a little bit of a difference, but I'll show that in the video. So if you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. It costs £15 a box and it contains 6 beauty items. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. For my personal subscription that I use for giveaways, instead of paying £15 a month, I take out a 12-month subscription and that costs me £13 a month. Lookfantastic have an amazing offer on at the moment. I don't know how long it's going to run for, but if you were to subscribe for your first box this month and use code, I believe it's JUICY, then that will entitle you to receive a free mystery beauty box. Plus you'd be able to get the subscription for £10 instead of £15. I'll pop all links down below in my description and codes and everything I can find, as well as limited editions. Newest one being an Easter egg, plus they've just brought out a Bobbi Brown limited edition as well. You'll find all those listed down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So if I've missed anything out, then please ask away. I'll open up the PR box first. I've been on Lookfantastic's PR list for a couple of years now. I'm really grateful for them sending me this box because it means I'm able to share and show you. So yeah, so let's get on to opening it up. So we get a booklet, and in here details everything about the products in the box, as well as, I'll just show you, sneak peek for next month, which is the Ritual of Karma Body Shimmer Oil. This luxurious body oil is infused with tiny shimmery mineral particles to reflect the light and add a stunning shine. Perfect for coming into the summer months. Well, in the UK, our summer is basically May. May and June, July and August. It's rainy weather. But yeah, so everyone will receive one of these in their box, and it says 100 mils there. But as well as details about the products, it's like a little mini beauty magazine. But what is the theme of this month's box then? It's the ingredients box. I can't remember the name now. It does say on their website, but I've completely forgotten. There's power in the formula, words echoed by the products in April's beauty box. This month is all about the ingredients, from vitamin C to aloe vera to hyaluronic acid. These magical molecules combine in all sorts of ways to create the powerful and transformative products we know and love. And then it goes on to telling you a little bit more about this month's theme. I've already had a sneak peek because I wanted to compare it to my paid for box to see if they'd be different, and they are. They're a bit all over the place there. But those are all the items. This is absolutely adorable. I love Elemis. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know I love Elemis. This is the Soothing Apricot Toner. It's a calming facial toner, and there's 50 mils here. This is so, so lovely. I've got the full size of this. So you may already know that I'm a little bit obsessed with miniatures as well. Not just little sample sizes, but products that look identical but in smaller sizes. I think it's so cute. This is going to be added to my night away, holiday away box. To use it, you apply it after cleansing when your face is nice and clean. Just use a cotton pad or use a reusable washable pad. Put a few drops on the pad, just go over your face, and then you can apply your serums, moisturisers, etc. So really happy that I got a little mini one. Even though I got a full size, but it doesn't matter. I can't tell you anything about it because there's no information about it, but it is lovely. I use it. It feels amazing on the skin. It smells amazing as well. Yeah, I do really, really like that. Next up, we've got an essential oil. This is pure oil, 100% concentrate tea tree oil, Australian body care, and we've got 10 mils here. Nice. It's antiseptic smell. Yeah. This is a multi-purpose product, really great for your skin, so it's always nice to have tea tree in the house just in case, you know, we're in need of it, especially I've got 2 teens and their skin isn't the best, unfortunately. So this is Australian Body Care Tea Tree Oil. Although the benefits of tree tea oil have only been officially recognised since 1923, it has been used by Aboriginal Australians for thousands of years to improve the appearance of skin. Use the oil to soothe and cleanse your hair and skin. To use, you use 1 part tea tree tree oil and 10 parts distilled water or vegetable oil, or for breath freshener, minor burns, or for toothache, apply with a cotton wool bud. So it looks like everyone will receive one of those. Next up, we got a Philip Kingsley. This is an elasticizer booster restoring conditioner, and there's 20 mils here. Oh look, I've just had my nails done. Can you see? What do you think of them? I think they're fab. I really love them. Just thought I'd share with you. This unique product delivers a rush of moisture inside the hair cuticle and is especially beneficial for extremely damaged hair. This super moisturising intensive treatment adds silkiness, suppleness, elasticity, bounce and strength. And it just says, before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with fingertips, cover with a shower cap and leave on your hair for 20 minutes, preferably over 60 minutes, and then you rinse well. So there's that. Next we've got a product from Avent, and this is a Hyalu Replenish lip balm. I don't know. And we've got 10 mils there. Avent's a pricey brand. We see it in lots of different subscription boxes, but I don't think I've ever had a lip balm that's something different. And I'm sure this was our sneak peek from last month as well. Correct me if I'm wrong. But let's see what it's like. I only want a tiny bit on my hand. Yeah, it feels nice. It smells like cocoa butter. You know, like Palmer's cocoa butter? Not as strong, but it smells like that. Yeah, that feels nice as well. It's not really gloopy. It just feels really nice, yeah. Okie dokie. Right, for satin smooth hydrated lips, this soothing balm aims to leave lips irresistibly soft. It combines the perfect formula of hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Hyaluronic acid aims to penetrate deeply into the lips to hydrate and instantly help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. And it just goes on to telling you how to use it. It's got a lip balm. Next, and it's the last item of the 4 of the editor's top picks. I'll have a look in the booklet of my paid for box in a minute as well. It could be completely different. This is a hydration serum with niacinamide by the brand Verso, and we've got 10 mils there. Reveal a glowing complexion with a hydration serum from Verso. The anti-aging moisturiser helps to strengthen the skin barrier, forming a protective layer against environmental damage and providing hydration for dry skin. Use morning and night together with your daily routine. It contains niacinamide and glycerin. It's got a serum. Lastly, in my PR box, I've got a Molten Brown bath and shower gel in Heavenly Ginger Lily. There's 100 mils here, and although there's no information in the booklet, I know that this is worth £10 and I've got quite a few. I absolutely love these shower gels. They are so, so lovely. My favourite is Rose and Rhubarb. Cannot stand Rose. Cannot stand the scent Rose, but Rose and Rhubarb in Molten Brown. Oh, it is amazing. I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is nice. I can't describe this one for you. It's just nice. It was a ginger lily. Don't know. Got a bath and shower gel there. So those are all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box, the PR box that I was sent to show you. And what a fab selection. Yeah, really chuffed with the Elemis. The tea tree oil always comes in handy. The Philip Kingsley, yeah, I'll pop that down in the bathroom. What with the lip balm, that's quite nice as well. Avent products are hit and miss with me. I don't like them all, but that does feel a nice one on my hands anyway. And yeah, the Verso, we've tried a few Verso products before, but I'm not sure about this one, but I'll give that a go. I really like the fact that it's got niacinamide in there as well, so hopefully that will help with my pores on my skin. And yeah, can't go wrong with Molten Brown. We do get it a lot in subscription boxes, but I personally really like it, but I do know that we do get it quite a lot, and maybe we get it a lot in Lookfantastic. They all blend into one for me, unfortunately. So that is the PR box. I'm sure you want to know what's in my paid for box. Yeah, all the 4 products are the same, but they're not the same because I have got an Elemis Soothing Toner, same as the other box. I've got an Avent Lip Balm, same as the other box. I've got a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Conditioner, same as the other box. And I've got an Australian body care tea tree oil, but I haven't got a verso, which is featured in the book. This is why it confuses me. But these two other products are what I got that are different. So first up, we've got Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel Focusing and Soothing, 40 mils there. And we've got a, Décolleté Liposome Advanced Repair Serum, time-released multi-miller liposomes, 12 mils. I am still none the wiser. Repair, it's a serum. A repair serum. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Fancy packaging. Reminds me of Lancôme or Shiseido. Yeah, I'm really impressed with the packaging. I've never tried any products from this brand before. I don't think so anyway. If you have, please let me know what you think. So those are the two different items. So you might receive one of those as well in your box. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know what you think of this box. Or are you watching this thinking, do you know what? No, it's not for me this month. Or are you on the fence? I'd still love to hear. So please comment down below and take care. And I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.